calculation time muchina. So just you see, now I will do gradually, because first one problem you have to understand very slowly. So I am doing it very slowly. So I have found out beta 1, this angle I have found out, and this angle I found out. I mean now we have found out the beta 1 and beta 2. Now let me sir, please এইটা এই পার্টটা লেখা আছে VV আর এই পুরোটা হচ্ছে V1 cos alpha, তাহলে এইটুকু কত হবে V1 cos alpha minus VV. So পুরোটা V1 cos alpha, এইটুকু VV, so this will be V1 cos alpha minus VV. ঠিক আছে, okay. So that's why this we consider this triangle tan beta 1 will be tan beta is a perpendicular by base, that means AB by BC. What is the AB? V1 sin alpha. What is that BC? V1 cos alpha minus VB. V1 cos alpha minus VB. I know all the data, V1 alpha and VB. I put it, I get it the beta 1 and beta 2. Calculation you will check it later. Okay. This is okay. Then can I proceed? VR1, this is the VR1, this is the VR1 and this is the VR2. This is the VR1, this part, this is the VR1, this one is the VR1 and this is the VR2. They are meeting at C, and V1 and V2 they are meeting at D. So okay, now once I have calculated, now I can clear it. Okay, now I can clear. Now I have to find out, so alpha, beta 1 and beta 2 everything is known, but in this questions the beta 1 and beta 2 is same and VR1 VR2 same. Why? Because there is no friction, that's why VR1 V2 same. Now I will find out the tangential force, that is the PT. So tangential force is nothing but, already in directions I have done, I have written is equal to, that means VR1 cos beta 1 plus VR2 cos beta 2. So okay, this is the, now this is the del VW. Let's see, gradually do it. This is the del VW. What is the del VW? Change in velocity. Del VW is the change in velocity. So this portion, if I take from A to E, so this is the del VW. What is the meaning of del VW? Change in velocity. Problem. যে প্রবলেমটা দিয়েছিলাম 1 নম্বর ফার্স্ট প্রবলেমটা, I have calculated first problem. First problem we are doing. First problem. So del VW. What is the del VW? Del VW I can write it change in velocity. Because I know what is the force. Force is nothing but a mass into acceleration. So what is the acceleration? M into del V by del T. So what is the M by del T? M by del T is M dot into del T and del V. So force, if I want to find out the force, M dot is given. How much? M dot is given 0.75. M dot 0.75 kgs per second. M dot is given. Then I have to find out the del V. What is the del V? Change in velocity in the direction of the blade. What is the blade direction? So this is the direction of the blade. কোনটা? ডেল্টা যে এই যে এমটা ছিল কেজিতে, তা কেজি পার সেকেন্ড হয়ে গেল এম ডট হয়ে গেল, এম প্লাস ডেল টি, এটাই হয়ে গেল কেজি পার সেকেন্ড। kg per second, now the kg per second is given. हमको तो दिए थे 0.75 kg per second. So m dot is given. So del v. What I have to find out? Del v. So in this problem, I have to find out what is the del v w. I know already. We have done our calculation. Del v w formula होची Vr1 cos beta 1 plus Vr2 cos beta 2. But beta 1 already I found out. Beta 2 already I found out. So Vr1, I know Vr1 is equal to Vr2. Here, why? There is no friction. Because there is no friction, so that's why Vr1 and Vr2 both are same. But I do not know Vr1. How to find out Vr1? What is the Vr1? This is the Vr1. So this Vr1 you can find out by applying sine law. Suppose this is the triangle. What is the sine law? A, B, C. The Lami's theorem already you have done. So this angle is A, this angle B. So if this side is A, this side is small b, this side is C. Then what we can write it? Sine law. A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C. है This already we are familiar. This is the sine law. That means ABC triangle. This angle is A angle. This angle is A angle. This angle is B angle, and this angle is C angle. And this side is small a. This side is small b. This side is small c. Then we can write A by sine A, B by sine B, and C by sine C. So this angle is capital A. This angle is A. This angle is B, and this angle is. This is sine law. Now here, if we know the sine law, then if we take the triangle ACD means this triangle ACD, this triangle. Then what we can write? Vr1 এর opposite angle কত? Alpha. So we can write Vr1 by sine alpha. Listen. Then what is the other angle? So this angle is beta 1. If this angle is beta 1, let us draw like that way. So this is our triangle. This is the A, this is the C, this is the D. This angle is alpha. This angle is beta 1, beta 2. Then this angle is 180 minus beta 2. So what we can write? That Vr1 by sine alpha is equal to V1 by sine 180 minus beta 1. Because this is the beta 1, তাহলে ভেতরে অ্যাঙ্গেলটা কত হবে? 180 minus, so sine 180 minus, this should be sine 180 minus beta 1. So sine 180 minus beta 1 মানে কি sin beta? This is also equal to sin beta, because sine 180 minus beta 1 is equal to sin beta 1. তাহলে এখানে কি জানি? এখানে V1 I know. What is V1? 1000. What is the beta 1? Beta 1 is equal to 36 point. How much we have got it? 32.36 degree. We have found it. Beta 1 I know. Alpha 20 degree. So Vr1 I can find out. So Vr1 will be what? V1 কত? 1000. Sin beta 1 কত? Sin 32.36 degree into sin alpha into sin 20. So if you calculate it, we will be getting it Vr1. So how much we will be getting the Vr1? So calculation are yes. কে? আচ্ছা, ও কোথায় আছে? তাহলে ও বি গ্রুপটাতে আছে, তাহলে বি গ্রুপটাতে জয়েন করো, ঠিক আছে? যে গ্রুপটাতে আছে সেই গ্রুপটাতেই করো। হ্যাঁ, আমাদের সেকশনে তাহলে এটা মেন্টরকে বলতে হবে, তাই তো? মেন্টরকে বলে তোকে ওকে গ্রুপে ইনক্লুড করতে হবে। হ্যাঁ, তো তোরা একটু স্যারদের বলিস, তোদের সাবজেক্ট, ঠিক আছে? ওকে। So now, we can find out Vr1 is equal to 1000, because I apply the sine law, and so Vr1 how much I am getting it? 639 meter per second. If I calculate it, we will get 639 meter per second. So VR1 is now known. Now if the VR1 is known, then what will happen? If the VR1 is known, then beta 1 is known and VR1 is V2, then we can find out the del VW. So let us find out del VW. Del VW. So let us find del VW, change in velocity. So what is the change in velocity now? VR1, what is the VR1? 639 cos beta, cos 32.36 degree, and VR1, VR2 both are same, that means plus, same, 639 into cos 32.36 degree. So del VW I have found out. What is the del VW? Change in velocity. So change in velocity I have found out. If we calculate it, how much it will come? It will come 1080 meter per second. So again, now if I find out I force, then force I can find out what is the tangential force? M dot into del VW. What is the M dot? 0.75. What is the del VW? 1080. That means we can find out how much it will come? 810 Newton. So I have found PT means tangential force. What is the tangential force? So this is the tangential force. So now the blades is like that. So if the blades is like that, so this is the tangential force which will rotate the blades, and this is the axial. This is the axial force. This is unnecessary. So this is the tangential force. So this is the shaft. My hand is the shaft. This is the blades. So this tangential force will rotate. So how much I have found out? So tangential force is 110 Newton.